Welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna make a popular Bengali recipe called mushroom pakora. Now let's go to the recipe. First, we will cut the mushrooms. It's simple, just cut the dust and hard body of mushroom. Here we cut the large pieces of mushrooms in half. See like this. If you are done the washing, then boil the pieces of mushrooms for few minutes with turmeric powder. But remember, don't overboil it, just for few minutes. Then make a batter with besan. We forget to take the clip of it, sorry for that. We make the batter with besan, turmeric powder, salt and half cup of water. Mix everything until it look like our batter, and then heat the pan and pour some oil in it. See how look like our batter. Now coat the pieces of mushrooms in the batter and fry it in the oil. But first check the oil if it's hot enough. After some minutes, flip it and fry the other part. Now fry every pieces of mushrooms like this. It tastes so good. Crunchy outside, soft inside. If you don't trust me, please try it one time. Here's our recipes ready. If you like our video, please do share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.